Hello everyone, that's me, Magid Koshti, and today I'm gonna give you some outlines about mobile applications testing methods and different ways of its connectivity. Testing for various connectivity methods. Mobile device can connect to networks using various methods. We discussed some of these connectivity approaches in the lesson on mobile application architecture. This include cellular networks such as 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G, and also Wi-Fi. In addition, other wireless connection types such as near-field communication, also known as NFC, allow for two devices to connect wirelessly when they are close to each other, as well as Bluetooth. The following alternatives should be considered when performing tests for connectivity. Device emulators and simulators can simulate various network connections, and some remote device access service providers include them within their features. Emulators and simulators are, however, of limited value. This is because also they can help us test how an app will work with different types of networks. They are not perfect and they cannot always predict how an app will work in the real world on real devices. Setting up your own mobile network to support various connection types and then apply bandwidth manipulation. This is very costly alternative. Field testing. The process of testing apps in the real world with real users is potentially a more cost-effective alternative, but is limited with regard to the reproduction of tests. In real-world usage, connectivity methods differ. Users can be continuously connected using one particular mode, or they can switch between modes, such as from Wi-Fi to cellular. For example, when a user leaves home while using the app, the user can switch between various Wi-Fi and cellular networks and versions, as well as between global systems for mobile communication cells, the most popular cell phone technology for wireless communication. To summarize, we have covered the different types of mobile networking connections that we should be aware of when testing mobile applications. Cellular networks such as 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G, and also Wi-Fi are the most common types of networks that apps connect to. But there are other alternatives such as near-field communication and Bluetooth. Connectivity can be tested in a variety of ways, including device emulators and simulators. Setting up your own mobile network or field testing with real users. Each method has its own benefits and drawbacks that should be taken into account when planning tests. In the next chapter, we will look at common test types and test processes for mobile application.